Good day to you. Let us introduce ourselves. My name is Inez Kurniawan.
My name is Theodore Wangsadiputra.
My name is Nikolas Christian.
And we are students from Binus University Bandung. We would like to take this opportunity to talk about benefits of playing video games. This talk is divided into 3 parts. There are 3 aspects that we would like to discuss. We will start with neural system. The second one is social, and the last one is psychology. Let me start. Video game has provided us plenty of fun reality escapes. But still, video games couldn't escape from public portrayals of being violent, the cause of laziness, and the most important of all, a waste of time. But are those portrayals true? It's a fact that too much of anything is actually bad. Even vegetables that are good for our health can be bad if consumed too much. Take a cabbage as an example. Cabbage can be toxic if consumed in high dosage. Cabbage contains chemicals called thiocyanates, which can interfere body's ability to absorb iodine.
The first aspect I'm going to talk about is the neural system, specifically your vision. By playing those action-packed first-person shooter games, the players are required to aim at the enemies and track their movements and then shoot at them. That's how they kill their enemies. This particular skill is called tracking. And also, games can help boost your quality of vision. It can help you differentiate all the different shades of gray. Take this for an example. You're driving inside a fog. You need to look at the road, and then you need to look at the road signs, traffic lights, and then all the other vehicles. You need to track them. You don't want them to get too close to you, right? All of this while being vision impaired inside a fog. You need to be able to differentiate the gray of the road and of the other vehicles. This particular skill can be the difference between an accident happening or not. The second aspect is social skills. The most popular genre of a game is an online game, and online games require you to communicate with others, so that online games can help you train how to communicate, how to build relationship, who to trust in a relationship, and how to lead your team into victory. These skills can be transferred into our daily lives. It will be shown in how we communicate and how much better we can make them understand what we are saying. Now, the third and final aspect is the psychology skill. We know that games are another form of entertainment. So, yeah, it makes you happy when you play games, right? But don't underestimate happiness. Stress can be harmful to bodies. It can be a cause of disease. So games are a great way to blow off stress. Now, are you familiar with dopamine? Dopamine is a neurotransmitter in the brain, and some say that the higher the level of your dopamine equals the happier you are. Now, according to the graph presented by ATTC, food can bring your dopamine level to 150%, while sex can bring your dopamine level to 200%. Meanwhile, games bring your dopamine level to 175%. Basically, it makes you really happy. Now, that is why games can be the better answer for stress. Instead of causing aggression to another person, you can blow off steam inside a virtual world where no one can get hurt.
Now, what do you think about video games? Upon hearing those explanations, maybe your views about video games has changed a little bit. Now you know that video games does have a role in developing your vision, social skills, and the well-being of your mind. And when someone tells you that video games are only a waste of time, tell them about the benefits of playing video games and how it affects a lot of aspects in life. There's nothing wrong with playing video games, but keep in mind, there's not an excuse to playing video games an absurd amount of time. Don't forget to rest, as your eyes can get hurt in a long gaming session. Play well, rest well, and be happy. That's all from us. I hope you got something new from our talk. Have a great day.